Hi and welcome back to our urban rooftop garden. So after installing our water tank, much of what we are doing is just watering each day and keeping an eye on everything to make sure that everything is healthy and growing nicely. But alongside that, we are having many visitors come into the centre to have a look at what we're doing. So we are able to explain each of the steps, we're able to show you around all of the plants, and we're able to show you what we're expecting to happen over the next few weeks and months. If you are interested in popping along and having a look, this is free of charge. We are on site most of the time, but especially on those Fridays and Saturdays when you might be able to get out of school, we'll be able to show you the size of our space. However, Arno and the team can make this fit into a very small space or a larger space, able to accommodate your individual needs. So we are at the moment still watering by hand. We do have our watering can still heading out there every day, and we're just taking one can is doing 2 or 3 of the pots, so we are just rotating that around. We have ordered a pump, but good old Amazon cancelled our first order, and our second order is on the way to us, at which point we should be able to hook this up to a hose pipe and enable us to have a little bit more ease. We have been trying a couple of new containers just to help with the aesthetics of the area, so we've had 2 of those installed as well. What you can't see from here is the new growth and the new shoots that are coming out. You can see that some of our bushes are becoming indeed a little bit more bushy, and you can see some of our flowers are beginning to bloom. Our microgreens have grown, and we are about to harvest our first lot, which is also very exciting. We'll be able to eat them. So do feel free to give us a message, come and drop by the centre. We are in Aylsham, near Anglia School, inside the Australian International School, and you are very, very welcome to come along and see how we are organically growing on our rooftop environment and how we might be able to help you and your students experience this in your own school setting very affordably. I hope to see you soon. Hit subscribe and follow us as we grow organically.